Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Steven, your favorite boy, KWAYAH. They call me Carly to make some guys to the jealous Amara. Number one, we nobody better than. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ in all my video about Nigeria. To me, I believe Nigeria youth, they still have a lot to do. Only iṣẹ́ tó pọ̀ láti ṣe. Before I said anything, I'm going to post this video for you guys to watch. After this video, I will now lay my own opinion and and I will allow you people to like comment under this video. Watch this video first.
It is an astonishment to listen that for nearly half a century, Dr. best of politics in Pakistan, his political privileges are still visible everywhere in Nigeria. Southeast well-documented Odyssey reveals that he was born on May 17, 1933. His incursion into politics began in 1964 at the age.
Okay. After watching this video, I think you people can now conclude that all these politicians, they are all friends. Both APC and PDP, even this guy, Peter Obi, all of them, they are in the same caucus. They are the same people. They are working for each other. No matter who becomes the president, they're still going to be like, you know, you get what I'm trying to say. And the only person I think who is going to be able to work about the president, the only person which I think is still going to work a little bit, that should be Sowore. I'm not campaigning for Sowore, but I'm just saying my own opinion. I'm saying what I believe is best for my people. Because Sowore is not a friend to none of these people. If you talk about Tinubu, Sowore is not a friend with Tinubu. If you talk about Atiku, Sowore is not a friend with Atiku. You talk about Peter Obi, I'm not saying Sowore is the enemy, but Sowore is going to be able to work. If Tinubu becomes the president, maybe 2023, Tinubu and Atiku, they still have their own way of doing stuff. Even got Tinubu only really fight Atiku. Even if Peter Obi becomes the president, they still have their own way. Peter Obi only really ṣiṣẹ́ nítorí pé ó mọ̀ pé Tinubu bóyá bàbá ló jẹ́ fóun, bóyá Peter Obi bàbá ló jẹ́ fóun, but this guy of Sowore doesn't care about none of them. This guy always say it the way it is, and this guy always like pinpoint whatsoever he's gonna do. To me, I believe Sowore is the most qualified candidate, and mo believe ni pé youth torí ẹ̀ bá pé ó máa understand nǹkan tí mo sọ yàtọ̀ sáwọn alátẹnujẹ tó kọ́ fẹ́ jẹ́ nǹkan. Ṣé you understand? Yàtọ̀ sáwọn alátẹnujẹ tó kọ́ fẹ́ jẹ́ nǹkan, youth torí ẹ̀ bá pé tó bá mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe, youth ẹ̀ máa mọ̀ pé Sowore is the best candidate. And àwa ò ní bẹ́yìn kẹ́ má vote fẹ́ni tó wùn yín torí ìjẹkújẹ ọdún, ìjẹkújẹ oṣù bíi oṣù mẹ́rin márùn tẹ́ bá máa jẹ, ẹ má tún fi bá yí àwọn ọmọ yín jẹ fún iye ọdún tó pọ̀. And this other man, Ẹ̀gbọ́n Davido, tó di governor Ọ̀ṣun, Senator Adeleke, tó di governor Ọ̀ṣun, bàbá di governor kò tẹ̀ tí rú lọ́jọ́ mélòó. Bàbá ti rọ bí ọba mẹ́ta lóyè. This man became a governor. It's not even up to a month. This man already like dethroned like 3 kings in Yoruba land, and which I believe àwọn ọba tó ń yọ lóyè yìí nìsín, ó believe lọ́kàn tiẹ̀ pé àwọn ọba yìí ṣe ìfẹ́ tọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ ní time tó ń campaign. Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ wọlé nìsín, that's the only way this man can pay them back. That's why la fi sọ pé ẹ̀yin Yorùbá kẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe, ẹ̀yin ọba Yorùbá kẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe. Ọba tó bá ti sọ rẹ̀ di politician, irú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ló máa padà ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Ọba tí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ aráàlú, tí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn ọmọ ìlú ẹ̀, tí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn dọ́kàn, ọba tó ẹgbẹ́ tó bá yọ ẹ́ lóyè lọ́la báyìí nìsín, kò sáwọn aráàlú tó fẹ́ protest ní pé irọ́ ọba tá fẹ́ lélẹ̀, ẹ wá ayé yín lóde. Irú life wo lẹ̀ ń live ẹ̀yin ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? irú life wo lẹ̀ ń live ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lead Yorùbá, ẹ̀yin olórí Yorùbá, life wo lẹ̀ ń live? Àwọn kan máa nípa àwọn fẹ́ Yorùbá nation. But we and all these people, we are not the same people. Let us go in our own ways. Kí Igbo jẹ́ Igbo tọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀, kí Yorùbá jẹ́ Yorùbá, káwúsá jẹ́ Haúsá, kí dandan ní kàn jọ ṣe pọ̀. A lè jọ wà láyé wa ká dẹ̀ ṣì nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa, ká dẹ̀ ṣì máa support ara wa. But nítorí ìjẹkújẹ ẹ̀ ní yé gbọ́ràn, ẹ̀ ní yọ̀rọ̀ gbọ́. Ẹ̀yin youth ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, Peter Obi mi ò ní kò dáa, but Sowore is the best candidate. For anybody tó bá wo fídíò yìí, mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ vote Sowore. Thank you. Kékeré tí mo máa sọ lọ́tẹ̀ ìrẹ́lẹ̀ tí màá gbẹnu dákẹ́. But youth Yorùbá, ẹ̀yin ará Nàìjíríà tẹ́ bá fẹ́ better future fúnra yín o, Sowore is the best candidate o. Mo kàn ní kí n sọ kékeré yìí o, ṣó ti yé yín. Kékeré yìí ni mo sọ, mo dẹ̀ gbẹnu dákẹ́ o. Thank you.